The same forest architectural scene with nearly 250,000 objects and over 12 million polygons. But this time I'm taking things up a notch. In this video, I put iRender's GPU Server 5S package to a real render test, running 4x RTX 4090 GPUs in parallel. If your machine has multiple GPUs, the best way to render in Blender is to split the project to match the number of GPUs you have. With the 5S package, I have 4 GPUs, so I split the project into 4 separate Blender files, each handling its own 25 frame range. GPU 1 renders frames 1 to 25, GPU 2 renders 26 to 50, GPU 3 renders 51 to 75, and GPU 4 renders 76 to 100. Render settings: 2K resolution, 100 frames total, 256 samples, noise threshold 0.1. Let's look at the actual render performance on the 5S package. As you can see, all 4 GPUs run simultaneously at close to 99% load. This is exactly how you get the most out of a multi-GPU machine. That's the real render result on iRender's GPU Server 5S package. For complex projects on tight deadlines, 4 GPUs running in parallel cut your render wait time dramatically compared to using just 1 to 2 GPUs. New customers get a 100% bonus on their first deposit within 24 hours of signing up. Create a free account and try the 5S package today at iRendering.net, link in the video description. If you'd like to see performance tests on iRender's other GPU packages, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Blender, Cycles and iRender. Turn your computer into a supercomputer. Your renders, your rules.